Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 1969 302 Mustang Coupe. Super nice car. What we've got is a little dent in the rear quarter. I don't know if you saw the other video, we had 4 of them, but we took those out. We've got this one right here in the rear quarter, and I've got the trunk opened up. I've got my board on that. Hopefully you can see it. It looks like a little, kind of a triangle. Somebody probably caught it with the back end of their door, where the rear door on a Suburban or a SUV has that roundy part, because it looks like a little bit of a moon shape. I've got Grandpa in here, all the way in there, and I'm using the back side of Grandpa, the elbow, if you will. And I'm just looking around. Ooh, that might even be too long of a tool, because I'm way out there. But I'm right on it. So let's just start working that dent. I've got the angle I need. I'm gonna work it real slow, guys. This is a not factory paint, and this is basically a show car. I don't know if it goes in shows or not. Actually, I think it doesn't, but it's just somebody's baby, and we want to make it look as good as possible. Sorry, I was just covering up the microphone there. We're just taking our time and doing it right. I'd say it's about 80% right now, maybe 85 when I get this little line out. The saving grace is that it is on white paint, but like I was saying, this is not factory, so this was painted 3 years ago. I'm not going to do any glue pulling, and I'm not going to do much tapping. Wow, that came out pretty nice. I see that little tight line right there. You guys see it? It's right there. A little bit of a tight line, and I see it too. So I'm going to get up in there and try to finish that little bit off. Once I find my tool there, I'm a little too high. I'm coming down, I'm coming lower. Now I'm right on it, right on that little football area that had a little bit of a low. And I'll show you the push I'm using for this, guys. Let's pull this tool out, and now I'll show you. I'm literally just got it stuck in there like this, and I was pushing like that off the back edge of this tool. And this is what I call Grandpa, but it's a 50-inch, I think, a 52-inch, half-inch stainless steel with a blade tip. And very rarely need it, but when I do need it, it comes in handy. So that dent came out real nice. Yeah, and especially, like I say, on white. Take the board off and it is gone. It is really tough to find. I'll give it a quick cross check before I say the thing. I sure do appreciate everybody that clicked on the video and that hits the subscribe button and the thumbs up and shares it with all their social medias. We sure appreciate that. This has been a really fun car to work on, and you guys just got to see the whole thing start to back on that little dent. So other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.